Welcome to Vertiv Ambernath. This facility was set up in 2013, merging all the LOBs, that is DC power, AC power and thermal, into one big factory. It's been a big transformation journey for us, moving from a product kind of a company to a solution kind of company, moving to global platforms for all our AC power products, thermal products, increasing the capacity, increasing the capability, moving to higher KVAs, etc. When I look at last 8 years, what strikes me also that we have grown almost 50% in terms of volume, in terms of value, and introducing new products year on year, improved our major KPIs like productivity. We have been very focused on improving our promised state service level to customers and ensuring they get the right product at the right time at their premises. I'll take you through the Ambernath facility step by step, introducing the different line of business. We are in the plant now. We'll start with the thermal line. This is the line where we do precision air conditioning machines. We do all kind of machines. We do chilled water machines, gas-based machines, fan wall units, and very soon we are going to start the chiller and other new products which will be coming in this location. Currently we have 3 lines in the thermal management group where we do products ranging from 5 tons to almost 70 tons. If I look at the manufacturing, primarily divided into 4 or 5 stages, starting with assembly, then we have the leak testing, then we have the wiring, and then the dry run test, followed by the performance test in the psychrometric lab. Each and every product what we make here carries a router card or a job card which captures all the critical quality parameters along with any special features addition required by the customer for that product.
We are focused on growing export markets. Our workmanship standards and quality systems are designed to ensure best-in-class quality.
We at Thermal Management LOB have grown from 150 to 400 units in last 8 years at 13% CAGR.
This is a state-of-art facility for the Ambernath factory. We are doing simulation of testing of all air conditioning units here.
In this psychometric lab, we do product validation for new product development, root cause analysis and customer witness test. Here we stimulate various conditions for our operating test unit.
Now we will move to the next line, next LOB, which is the DC power line. Here is the flexibility, and we are able to change the products in these lines very fast. In the morning we run X product for X customer, and in the afternoon we are running Y for Y customers. And with the high volumes what we do in these lines, moving to thousands in a month, we have very automated test sets, a lot of testing data which can be uploaded to the customer servers directly our server in the factory.
We supply DC power products to telecom sector globally. We offer products ranging from 20 ampere to 5000 ampere.
We have a flexible capacity of producing 6000 equivalent units per month. Productivity is our main goal.
Our focus is to reduce lead time and deliver on time through lean flow lines and tag-based production. We improve our process continuously through employee engagement and Kaizen events.
Address the market search, rolling flow line and automated testing setup is our specialty.
From this we will move to the AC power line. We are at the UPS line. We are at one of the testing bays right now. Behind me, we have 1000 kVA UPS undergoing testing. Overall, UPS manufacturing is a combination of some cell manufacturing plus flow lines. We use the flow lines for anything less than 200 kVA. We have flow lines. Plus, we have dedicated flow lines to do all kind of modules from 30 to 50 kilowatts. And I think the strong point here is the kind of very, very customized factory acceptance test what we do for all our major customers from different, like it is metro, it is colo, it is manufacturing. We have the latest equipments, we have the latest oscilloscope so that we can meet the requirements of the customer factory acceptance test in Ambernath plant.
In AC power operation, one of the major functions is the UPS testing. We have a well-equipped testing facility. We have a UPS range from the 1 kV to 1200 kV with a different combination, with different configuration and integration. We are moving on from monolithic to modular UPS to cater to our customer demands.
And secondly, what I am proud of is the Kaizen and the continuous improvement culture what we have built in this factory. So we have people involved from the shop floor to the managers in this journey of Kaizens, looking at small improvements, looking at big Kaizen events, which again impact the delivered quality, the service levels, improve our productivity. We have a very strong emphasis on training our employees, the new joinees, our shop floor associates, our engineers, our managers over the last so many years, especially when we are introducing new products and adding new service lines in the plant. One thing which is very important to us is the safety. We always say it is a safety first. This is the FM Global A+ rated facility, and we are proud of maintaining our safety standards in whatever we do. As we look into the future, focus areas for us would be how we can automate in the factory some of our testing, some of our flow lines, and do a lot more automation, and of course work on reducing the lead times, which are very essential to our customers.